Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure you've unplugged the appliance before beginning. Your first step is to pull out the lint screen and remove the 2 screws near the opening. Next, insert a putty knife under the front of the main top to release the 2 spring clips, and rotate the top up. Disconnect the door switch wires and remove the top front panel screws. Now lift the panel up and out. If your model has 2 front panels, use a flathead screwdriver to release the lower panel from the retaining clips. If applicable, remove the 2 springs. Now, loosen the 2 screws at the bottom of the upper panel and lift the panel off. If applicable to your model, remove both door springs. Next, uninstall the screws that hold the door to the hinge and set the door aside. Remove the hinge mounting screws from the front panel and pull out the old door hinge. Install the new door hinge by inserting it into the front panel and securing it with the screws. Reinstall the door and reconnect the door springs if applicable. If your model has a solid front panel, line up the drum with the front panel seal. Then align the slots with the retaining clips and press down the panel until it locks into place. If your model has 2 panels, align the slots in the upper panel with the screws while lining up the drum. Tighten the screws. If applicable, reinstall the 2 springs. And replace the lower panel by snapping it into position. Now, reinstall the 2 screws on top and reconnect the door switch wires. Rotate the main top back into place and press down on the front to secure the spring clips. Install the 2 screws at the lint screen opening. Replace the lint screen and plug the appliance back in.